Before you delete your social media apps, wait, because what if the problem isn't the platform itself, but how you use it? What if instead of deleting it, you could turn it into a powerful tool for growth, success, and motivation? Stay with me for the next few minutes, and I promise you'll see social media in a whole new way. The problem, let's be honest, most people use social media unconsciously, scrolling endlessly, comparing their lives to others, wasting hours every single day, and then they blame the apps, saying social media ruined my focus, my productivity, my confidence. But here's the truth. It's not social media that's destroying your potential. It's the way you're allowing yourself to use it. Deleting social media might give you temporary relief, but eventually you'll come back, and when you do, the cycle continues. Instead of running away from it, let's learn how to use it with power and purpose. The shift in mindset. Think about this. Social media is simply a tool, just like money. A knife or even technology in the wrong hands, it can hurt you, waste your time, or bring negativity. But in the right hands, it can transform your life completely. So the question is not, should I delete social media? The real question is, how can I use it to fuel my growth? Instead of draining my energy, clean your feed, unfollow negativity. Unfollow people who make you feel small, unworthy, or distracted. Fill your feed with people who inspire you, teach you, and push you to be better. Make your digital world a space that adds value to your real world. Set time boundaries instead of deleting apps. Discipline yourself. Use timers, app blockers, or simply schedule when you allow yourself to scroll. Social media can steal hours from you unless you decide exactly how much you'll give it. Create more than you consume. This is the real game changer. Don't just be a consumer, be a creator. Share your ideas, your story, your progress, your knowledge. Even if no one claps for you at first, keep creating. Because every post you share is a seed you plant in the digital world. And those seeds grow into opportunities, connections, and even businesses. Turn comparison into inspiration when you see someone achieving more than you. Don't let envy control you. Instead, let it be proof that it's possible if they can do it. So can you. Comparison destroys when it makes you feel small, but it empowers you when it lights a fire inside. Motivational push. The truth is, we live in the most connected time in human history. You can learn from billionaires, scientists, artists, and leaders all from your phone. You can build a personal brand, start a business, or create impact without leaving your home. Why would you throw that away just because you don't know how to control your usage? Don't delete social media. Master it, use it with intention, and it will open doors you never thought possible. So here's my challenge for you. Don't delete your apps. Instead, delete your excuses. Don't run away from distraction. Instead, build the discipline to turn distraction into motivation. Social media is not your enemy. It's your opportunity. The next time you open Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, or Facebook, ask yourself this one question: am I using this to grow, or am I letting this use me? Your answer will shape your future. Now go take control and turn your scroll into success.